My dear student, how are you? Okay, I am fine. I am an state teacher of Maspada Ali Madrasa. I am present here for your math teacher. Previous we have completed many classes about exponents, I mean Shusok. We found out the nth root in the last class. In the last class we said to find out our nth root. Today we will do the work earlier. It was said that what was the ith root of x, and further it was said what is the xth root of, what is the qth root of p. We solve both. We will solve both. Now we will start today's work. That is my learning outcome today. We will be able to apply that skill at the end of today's class. Learning outcome, that means apply that skill at the end of today's class. We can apply formula. We can apply formula of the next of the index and solve the problem. Loss of index. In the loss of index and apply the formula. Apply the formula. That is our learning outcome. Loss of index and apply the formula. So we will try to solve the index problem and we will solve the others problem. In this class, attention please, we are going to start today's class. First of all, we will see the homework. Our homework was, first homework is number Q. Sorry, I will clean the board and next we will do the sum. Number Q. What was the ith root of x? That means x এর y-তম মূল কত? We write here what was the ith root of x. That was this is answer. What was the ith root of x, and this is answer number Q. And number Q, what was the qth root of p. What was the cube root of p? That means our answer is cube root of p. This is our answer. Number q. First number q, with root of x, second cube root of p, and this is our solved problem. Next, today's class, let's get started. Attention please, my dear student. We are in the exercise 4.1. I say in Bengali, সরল করো 1 থেকে 8. Simply we write here, number 1, 7 to the power cube into 7 to the power minus cube divided 3 into 3 to the power minus 4. Sorry, we wrote here wrong. Base is our 7. Base is our 7. That means 7 cube into 7 to the power minus 3 divided by 3 into 3 to the power minus 4. We can write here equal to multiplying 7 into 7, so we will use here the exponent's law. There both of them base is 7, so we can write 7 to the power 3 plus that means minus 3 when we will do the plus 3, that means plus minus 3 equal to minus 3 divided by 3 is the same formula to the power 1 minus 4. Okay? Understand? Okay. Yes, it is very easy. So, attention please. 7 to the power 0 divided 3 to the power minus 3. We can write it the right side equal to 7 to the power 0 mean 1. Something power 0 is, we know something power 0 is 1. So we can write 1 divided 3 to the power minus 3 equal to 1 into 3 to the power only 3 equal to, our multiplying is 27. That is our answer. Our multiplying is 27. That is our answer. We have completed successfully number 1. That means number, I use in Bengali, number 1 অর্থাৎ 1 নং প্রশ্নের উত্তর. Our answer is our answer is 27. Clear? Okay, thank you very much. We will clean the board. and I will do the second number. Attention, second number is third root of 7 square. Second number 7 square, third root of 7 square into 7 third root of, divided only 7 square root of 7. So we can write here equal to, see, 7 square third root, then we can write 1 by third into 7 to the power 1 by third divided by 7 to the power half. We saw here all base is 7. 7 square base is 7. Their base is 7 and their base is 7. So we can write here, I write it the right side, 7 to the power 7 to the power 2 by 3 into 7 to the power 1/3 divided 7 to the power half equal to, here 2 power is up level and down level is 1 power 1 and here 2 power. So we can write the up level 7, we can write here at the end of the point 7 to the power 2 by third plus 1 by third minus, as 7 to the power half is the down level, so we can write it the up level half equal to 7 to the power, we can write here 3 3 2 6 3 2 3 3 2, we can write here 6, then 2 plus, here is 4, here is 4 plus 2 minus 3, here 7 to the power 7 to the power, there 6 minus 3 equal to 3 divided 6, that means half, 7 to the power half, we can write here root 7, and that is our answer. Number 2 answer is root over 7. And next our number is third. Attention, my dear student, we will wipe the blackboard. Then we are going to the next sum, and our next sum is 3, number 3. I mean 3 number. Two to the power minus 1, we write at first 2 to the power minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1. 5 to the power minus 1 bracket close whole to the power minus 1. Here it is. We can write here equal to 2 to the power minus 1. Then we can write 1 divided 2 plus 1 divided 5. How I can write here? That I have explained the previous class totally. Then bracket to the power minus 1. We can write here 10, 5 into 10, 5 into 2 equal to 10, equal to 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 whole to the power minus 1 equal to 7 by 10 whole to the power minus 1. Then we can write here the right side something power to the power minus 1, something power to the power minus 1. We can write 1 divided something power, that's number. So we can write here 1 divided 7 by 10. Here we can write 10 divided by 7 answer. I mean I say in Bengali 10 भाग 2 अर्थात 10 divided 7. I mean 10 divided 7. 10 divided 7. Next we will go to the number 4. I clean the board. Attention please. Number 4. See the number 4 equal to, I can write here, see me, 2a minus 1 plus 3b to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1. Here, see carefully, 2a to the power minus 1, that means 2 into 1 by a plus 3 into 1 by b, then whole to the power minus 1. Here see 2 by a plus 3 by b whole to the power minus 1. See here, we can write here AB. We can divide it AB divided by A, that then rest here B into 2, I mean 2B. The same case 3A. We can write to the power minus 1. So we can write the next level 2b plus 3a divided ab. Here the last stage ab divided 2b plus 3a, and the last line ab divided 2b plus 3a. We can write the second step in the first, so 3a plus 2b, that is our answer, right? Yes, that is our ab divided 2b, ab divided 3a plus 2b, that is our answer. Last number 1 2 3 4, last next number 5. It's easy for you. If you try to do this, you can write absolutely and clearly number. Then we can do the number 6. We clean the board, then see the next number. Here number 6, x inverse 1 x inverse y root over into y to the power minus 1 z root over into x y y z z x z to the power minus 1 x root over. Here the hints: x greater than 0, y greater than 0, and z greater than 0. That's our law. Here we can write, x to the power minus 1 whole to the y into y to the power, that means root over, that means root value is power half. So we can write power to the power half into y to the power minus 1 z power to the power half, and z to the power minus 1 into x whole to the power half. See carefully. This part power half, this part power half, and this part power half. The thrice part power half. Half is the power of thrice. So we can write closing the three part. So x to the power minus 1 into y into y to the power minus 1 into z into z to the power minus 1 into x whole to the power half, whole to the power half. Here we can write x and x power will be plus x to the power minus 1 plus 1, and the same case y to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1 plus 1, and z to the power minus 1 plus 1. Okay, whole to the power half. We can write it the left side. We need to write the left side, but it is mistake. Sorry, next I will try the solve the problem. So equal to, we can cross it here, we can cross it. So x to the power 0 into y to the power 0 into z to the power 0 whole to the power half. Then something power 0, we know that was 1. Thank you. 1 into 1 whole to the power half equal to 1 to the power half. That means 1 equal to 1. Answer. That is our 6th number. Understand? Okay. We are going to the end of the class. So I firmly believe you will understand everything. Then I hope you understand the matter well. Next, the homework for you, number 7, only one, number 7. You can try to solve the problem. I hope you can do it. Can you do it? Yes, you can do it. That's enough for today class, and all the best. Thank you very much for joining me. Goodbye.